Okay, firstly, let us save the file. Okay, I'll name my file as pr.html, as this is a practice thing. I'm using Sublime editor IDE. You can use Notepad, Sublime, or brackets, whichever is comfortable for you. Okay, so how do we start with HTML? Just simple thing. Just give the angular brace and exclamatory mark to say it is the what type of document are you preparing. I'm preparing the type of document is HTML. You can specify that. And one important thing is it is not case sensitive. As soon as I type HTML, this is what happens. By default, all the things will get filled up. Okay, so doc type one is enough. Doesn't make much difference, but still enough. So this is HTML tag. This is the closing HTML tag. Within the head, you have head and a body, like a human body. Within head, you have a title. You can specify the title as practice, practice. Okay, and in a body, you can mention as my first HTML. Okay, so just save it. And how do you see the output? You have to see the output, obviously. Since we are creating the web pages, you have to see this in the web browser. Web browser will be the output screen for this. Just open in browser, and that will show you. See, whatever the title I gave here, I gave the title as practice, and that is popping out over here. Okay, so this is my first HTML. It shows over here. And if you want to feel that it has to be as a heading, because by initially itself we don't mention it as this thing, right? Paragraph, we don't go for it. We'll give some title heading for that. We can go for H1, and obviously that has to be having the closing title. Just save it and try to refresh. Just refresh it. You can see the difference. Okay, and if you want to type some paragraph, we do have something called as a p tag. Okay, so p tag, and you can say this is a paragraph. Okay, just save it and check it out. Just refresh this. Okay, so this is paragraph. See the difference. See the difference. And so let me give the explanation for this. So the doc type HTML is nothing but it declares the representation of the document type, and it will help the browsers to display web page correctly. Okay, so it will tell you what kind of document you are preparing. It must only appear once at the top of the page. Okay, only once in a document. Once you have to tell that. And you can just say that it is doc type is HTML, nothing else. Okay, so H1, the heading, whatever I used here, H1, you can have H2 as well. Okay, H2, let me see the difference. Okay, and we have till H6 you can use. Okay, so I'm giving the same text just to show the variation of between them. So let me check it out. Till H6 we have. Okay, just save this and refresh your this thing. I can see over here there is a difference. There is a difference in between the font size with each H1 to H6. Okay, you can try all this and and give it out. Suppose I need to link any other pages with my web page. Obviously, web page is not a single page. It will be connected with the multi pages or with the multi websites. In such cases, what you can do is you can go for the link. You can use the this thing as a href, and you can specify your you can specify the path where you have to, sorry, I'm sorry, it's https colon bugger slash, I would like to go to Twitter page, twitter.com. It has to redirect to the Twitter and show that this is my Twitter. Okay, and that's it. Just save this and check it out whether the, yeah, see, you can see it is in blue color, and if I click on that, if you're connected to the internet on the same window, it will show you that it will be taking you to the Twitter page. Okay, that is how you can go for it. Okay, and if you wanna add some kind of, this is adding link. So say I need to add image, and say I have a image of bulb. I want to say name it as on.jpg. Okay, and check it out whether it is popping up. Okay, yes, so this is the image I had. Okay, and say now, in case, suppose this image is not working, or for some, in some browser it may not support. In that case, what happen is we can show a text saying, uh, I'm sorry, alt is equal to, you can say this is image of bulb. In case if it's not working, just to give, you can give a text. For example, let me name it as something like fun. Obviously this, I don't have this image saved with font, so it is a wrong path. So in that case, what happens is when the image is not able to display, it will show a message called this is image of bulb. Okay, then so as of now I have, and I can name it as this one. One more thing is you can specify width. Say I want a width of 400 and height of 600. Okay, so let me check whether there is a change in the bulb. See, so it shows as a big image. Okay, I can change the this thing, and suppose I want this image to be okay, I don't want this to be in this much of height. Let it be whatever the image size is by default. You can, once you can have it. See, as of now I can see to that, this image is as reach normal size, but it is in the left part. I need this image to be in something called like, I want it in center. I want this in center. So mention it as center and just refresh this. So it changed its direction. Okay, you can go for that. And suppose you want to view the source code, no need to go over there, just go right click on which view page source. You can check whatever the images you have given, what is the what all you have done. Okay, then the next part is we have something called as, see, when I have two paragraphs, say hello to all. Okay, I have two paragraphs, and obviously I need some space between each paragraph, right? But there is no space. I if I feel I need more space over there, then what I can give is I can use the break break tag to, so see there is a large gap. Okay, and if I feel I need some line over there, I can give with HR tag to get the, see there's a line over here. Okay, you can get the line, use HR tag. So this is how it works. So the empty HTML element that I can tell you is as of now it is break. No need to give the closing tag for that, and it is not case sensitive or it is not spatial. So if you give any other, if you feel that if you're giving here some space, say I'll show you that. Okay, so this paragraph, let me say I'm keeping it in the center over there, and let me check whether it change, no change, because doesn't matter where you do it, it will take to the left part itself. Okay, so basically what we have done over here, this A is nothing but it is a hyperlink tag. Okay, so it will tell you the URL, you can specify the URL for your page where the link has to go, and that is how it works. You can give absolute URL or this thing as you like. Okay, and if you feel that you need to change the color of your paragraph, say my the first paragraph, it has to be like the style should be in, only my paragraph should be in red color, you can give the red color or any colors you like. Okay, so color is equal to red, it is color colon. Okay, just specify design, check it out whether, see as of now I have this is paragraph, it's in black color. When I refresh I'll get in the this thing red color. Okay, in that way you can mention and get to know. So as of now we have seen all these tags. Okay, even you try it yourself and get to know whether it's working. Okay, so headings are important. If you want bigger headings you can go for that, and if you feel that still you want a very big, for example we used here my first HTML, right? If you feel still you need to, I want this to have some font size, you can go for h1 style is equal to, and you can mention the font size, say font size, and say that I just need a font size, I want it in say like 60 pixel. Okay, let me check whether this is working, whether I'm getting in. So I have to go over there. See, you can mention in whatever the pixels you need, you can mention, you can define your font size for your things. Okay, and next we are going to see all about is horizontal row and line breaking. We have given that. Okay, so suppose, see, over here, say I have here, I'm writing I just need um my bony lies over ocean. My bony lies over sea. Oh, what's wrong? My bony. So basically, this is a poem, okay? Come back to me. Okay. So I have written in the format of poem itself. Do you think this will work like a poem, or this will show as the same way how I printed or typed over here? Let me check over that one. See, everything is in the same line. My bony lies over ocean, my bony lies over sea, my bony lies over ocean, my bony come back to me. So I don't want this to be in this. In such cases, what is the solution for this is very simple. Rather than using paragraph, use pre tag. Use pre tag to represent whatever the format you have used. See, now you can see the difference. Whatever I have typed, it will show you in this way. Okay, so that is how it works, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.